In this video, I'm going to show you the best and quickest way for you to reset or clear a spreadsheet using your Google Sheets mobile app. In a previous video, I've shown you how to fill out an entire spreadsheet using the same value. Well, in this video, we're going to do the opposite and clear the entire spreadsheet. Whether you've applied a format to that or you've applied the same value to every cell, we're going to clear it all out. And we're going to do that by doing the same thing, which is actually tapping on this corner to select everything on your spreadsheet. So when you tap on the corner, that area would allow you to select your entire spreadsheet. Once it's selected, just tap again on the selected range. There we go. And tap on clear. There we have it. We've successfully cleared out all the values within those cells. Now, what if we have formatting applied to one of those cells or to all of those cells? What we're going to do to clear out the formatting would be again to tap on that corner. There we go. Go to the format tool here at the top. Scroll all the way up until you see this option, clear formatting. If we tap on this, we've already cleared out all the formatting that have been applied to any of those selected cells. And there you have it. So that's how you can reset and clear a spreadsheet using your Google Sheets mobile app. Now, if you still need help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.